Imagine yourself in a world where two of the most fearsome creatures, the crocodile and the alligator, are about to face off. In the realm of nature's most magnificent predators, these two beasts reign supreme, each possessing a unique blend of strength, cunning, and raw power. The crocodile, a creature of ancient lineage, boasts a lineage stretching back 200 million years. These formidable predators are a testament to evolutionary perfection, their bodies designed for survival in some of the harshest environments on Earth. With their powerful jaws, armored skin, and razor-sharp teeth, crocodiles are the epitome of a perfect predator, a force to be reckoned with. On the other side, we have the alligator, equally impressive and just as captivating. Alligators, with their broad snouts and dark, ominous eyes, are silent hunters of the swamps. Their reputation as fearsome predators is well-deserved. They are masters of their domains, ruling the waterways with an iron fist and a mouth full of teeth. Yet despite their striking similarities, crocodiles and alligators are often mistaken for one another. It's a common misconception, one that blurs the lines between these two distinct species. Their differences may seem subtle, but they are significant enough to set the stage for a battle of the beasts, a comparison that dives deep into the heart of what makes these creatures so fascinating. So, as we set the stage for this epic face-off, remember, this is more than just a battle. It's a chance to appreciate the awe-inspiring diversity of nature, to delve into the world of these incredible creatures, and to unravel the mysteries that surround them. Now prepare to dive into the details of these two incredible reptiles. Get ready to be enthralled by their power, their resilience, and their remarkable adaptations. It's time to witness the ultimate showdown, the crocodile versus the alligator. The battle of the beasts begins now. First up, we have the crocodile, a creature that has roamed the earth for millions of years. Let's dive into the story of this ancient marvel. Crocodiles are truly one of nature's most enduring creations, with a lineage that stretches back over 200 million years. That's right, these beasts have been around since the time of the dinosaurs. Their survival is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. Crocodiles make their homes in a variety of habitats, from the brackish waters of mangrove swamps to the freshwater rivers and lakes of the tropics. But what sets them apart is their ability to thrive in saltwater environments. This is due to special glands in their tongues which help to filter out salt, a feature not shared by their alligator cousins. Now let's talk about their diet. Crocodiles are primarily carnivorous, their meals consisting of a variety of fish, birds, and mammals. They are ambush predators that rely on the element of surprise to capture their prey. Their powerful jaws can exert a tremendous amount of pressure, enough to crush bones. Then we come to their physical traits. A crocodile's snout is V-shaped, which is narrower and longer than that of an alligator. This shape allows them to deal with a wider variety of prey. Their teeth are another distinctive feature. Even when a crocodile's mouth is closed, you can still see its fourth tooth on the lower jaw jutting out, something you won't see in an alligator. Crocodiles also have a more aggressive temperament compared to alligators. They are more likely to see humans as a threat, or in some cases as food. This, coupled with their saltwater tolerance, makes them more of a concern for people living near coastlines. So there you have it. The crocodile, an ancient beast, perfectly adapted to its environment, equipped with powerful tools for survival and possessing unique traits that set it apart from its closest relatives. That's the crocodile for you, a beast that truly stands out in the animal kingdom. Now let's turn our attention to the alligator, another prehistoric creature that commands respect. The alligator, often mistaken for its distant cousin, the crocodile, is an intriguing creature in its own right. These formidable reptiles trace their lineage back to the age of dinosaurs, making them one of the oldest surviving species on our planet. Alligators are predominantly found in the southeastern United States, with Florida and Louisiana hosting the largest populations. They favor freshwater habitats, which include marshes, lakes, rivers, swamps, and even man-made canals. Their preference for freshwater environments is a key characteristic that sets them apart from crocodiles. Now let's talk about the alligator's diet. These animals are opportunistic feeders. Their meals largely consist of fish, amphibians like frogs, smaller reptiles, birds, and mammals. However, they aren't picky eaters. From fruit to carrion, alligators have been known to eat almost anything that fits in their powerful jaws. Speaking of jaws, the alligator's snout is one of its distinguishing features. Unlike the crocodile's V-shaped snout, the alligator sports a broad U-shaped one. This shape allows them to exert more force when closing their jaws, making their bite one of the strongest among living animals. Their eyes, set high on their heads, allow them to see above water while the rest of their body remains submerged, a trait that makes them effective ambush predators. And while they may seem sluggish on land, never underestimate an alligator's speed. They can surge out of the water in a flash, catching their prey off guard. Unlike crocodiles, alligators tend to be less aggressive towards humans. However, this doesn't mean that they aren't dangerous. It's always important to respect these animals and maintain a safe distance. The alligator's armor-like skin, powerful tail, and formidable teeth are all physical attributes that contribute to its survival in the wild. Each aspect of their biology has been perfected over millions of years of evolution. And that's the alligator, a creature that has its own unique set of features and habits. Now that we've taken a close look at both creatures, it's time to put them side by side. Firstly, let's dive into their physical distinctions. Crocodiles, with their V-shaped, long, pointed snouts, stand in contrast to the U-shaped, broader snouts of alligators. And when it comes to teeth, a crocodile's fourth tooth from the lower jaw is always on display, even when its mouth is closed. An alligator, on the other hand, keeps its dental work hidden when its jaws are shut. Moving on to their habitats, crocodiles primarily inhabit saltwater regions, while alligators are more commonly found in freshwater environments. This difference is largely due to a specialized gland found in crocodiles that allows them to excrete excess salt. Now let's tackle their behavior. Generally, crocodiles are considered more aggressive than alligators. This could be attributed to their larger territories and higher levels of testosterone. However, it's important to note that both species are highly territorial and can be dangerous if provoked. As for their diet, both these apex predators are opportunistic feeders. They're not picky eaters, from fish, birds to mammals. If it's meat, it's on the menu. Yet, alligators have been observed to have a slightly broader diet, occasionally indulging in fruits and even certain types of plants. Speaking of size, adult male saltwater crocodiles reign supreme, reaching lengths of up to 23 feet. In contrast, the largest recorded alligator measured just under 15 feet. Despite these differences, both crocodiles and alligators share a remarkable strength in their jaw-clamping force, capable of crushing bones with relative ease. Lastly, let's touch on their lifespan. Crocodiles have a longer life expectancy, with some species living up to 70 to 100 years. Alligators, however, tend to live for around 30 to 50 years. As you can see, while these two creatures may seem similar at first glance, they are quite different in a variety of ways. So, who would come out on top in a showdown between a crocodile and an alligator? A question that has intrigued many, and one we've explored in depth today. Our journey began with the Battle of the Beasts, where we delved into the lives of these magnificent creatures, their habitats, and their survival strategies. We then turned our attention to the tale of the crocodile, a creature who is the epitome of survival, having roamed the earth for over 200 million years. With its armored skin, powerful jaws, and incredible adaptability, the crocodile is truly a force to be reckoned with. Our saga then moved on to the alligator, a creature equally impressive but distinctly different. The alligator's broader snout, its preference for freshwater habitats, and its slightly more docile nature set it apart from its crocodilian cousin. In our comparison, we highlighted the key differences between these two creatures. From the shape of their snouts to their habitat preferences to their social behaviors, the crocodile and the alligator each have unique traits that make them fascinating in their own right. But if we're looking for a winner, well, that's where things get tricky. Both crocodiles and alligators have evolved over millions of years to become the perfect predators in their respective environments. They each have strengths that the other lacks, and weaknesses that the other exploits. For instance, the crocodile's saltwater adaptability gives it a wider range of habitats, but the alligator's more docile nature makes it less likely to engage in unprovoked attacks. The crocodile may have a stronger bite, but the alligator's broader snout means it can crush prey with a wider girth. So who would come out on top in a showdown? The answer is not as simple as it might seem. It would depend on the circumstances, the environment, and a host of other factors. Whether you favor the crocodile or the alligator, one thing is clear: these are two of the most remarkable creatures on our planet. And while they may be fierce competitors, they are also vital parts of our world's ecosystems, deserving of our respect and protection.